Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class we have learned that how to build one music store page with HTML and CSS, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now in this class we will see that how to build one photography website with HTML and CSS, and I hope you will also enjoy this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So let's start. Now, first of all, you have to go to window and open your text editor, okay? Like previously, we are working with our brackets text editor. So, I will just open my brackets text editor over here, okay? So, just press enter. And now, here you can see I have just opened my text editor over here. I will just take new files over here. Here you can see I have just taken the two files, okay? So, as you know, I will just, first of all, I will just zoom in, okay? So, you can see my codes. And over here, I will just save it, okay? And I will just give it the name like website. Okay, website.html, and I will just save it on desktop. Okay, so it will be not any problem over here. Okay, and I will just save this CSS also with that name also. Okay, and I will just save it on desktop. Save that. And over here I have just come into website.html, and over here I have to just take starting code of HTML. Okay, like you all know, I have just write like that. Okay, this mark over here, and I will just press tab. So now here you can see all starting code of HTML has been coming, and now here I will just erase this document and write over here like I will just write photo. Okay, so I will write photo. Okay, so just you have to just take it small, photography. Okay, so I'm writing like that, and over here I will just link my style sheet, and I will just write like that. In here I will just write my style sheet name, which is called website.css. And over here I have to do one thing also. Okay, so I will just do like I will minimize that, and over here I will just go to my font awesome .txt, and over here I will just copy this link. Okay, so you have to just write this link over here. Okay, because it is not in our Google. Okay, so it is old one, so I am just writing like that, and here I will just control V like paste over here, and over here I have to do one thing like over here I will just do like that, and in here I will just making one navbar like you all know. Okay, so our navbar will be different. Now we will not use our class of like header we use. Okay, so we will not use it today. Okay, so I will just do one thing like I will just write div class. Okay, and now before that I will just write nav. Okay, so nav and write like that, and over here in nav I will just erase this div from here. Okay, and I will write nav and I will write div underneath this nav, and in here I will just write over here class of menu like you all know. Okay, and over here I will just write ul. Okay, ul, and oh sorry, it is incorrect, so I will write ul like that, li, and then I will write a like you all know. Okay, so it is also incorrect, so I will write a like that, and over here I will just write this hashtag, and in here I will just write home. Okay, like you all know, so just I will write contact. Okay, not home. I will just write it opposite of each other. Okay, copy that, and again you have to paste that many times, and over here I will just write block, and in here I will write like services. If I show you, so I will write services over here, and over here I will just write like I will write over here like it should be now about us. Okay, so I will write about us. Okay, and in here I will just write home. Okay, so it should be opposite, home will be in the first. Okay, so I am writing like that because it will be all opposite if I write home and about us services in the starting, so contact will be coming in the starting over here. Okay, so because of this I have written like that, and over here I have to do one thing like I will just go underneath that, and in here okay, so I will just go underneath that, and here I will just define div, and in this div I will just define the class of like content like you all know, and in this content I will write over here like h1, and in this h1 I will write like want to take photographs. Okay, so because we are making one photography website, so I am writing like that, want to take photographs, and now underneath that I will write p tag, and in this p tag I will write like passion for creating new ideas. Okay, like I am writing like that. Okay, ideas. So here you can see that I have written that, and I will just write div class again, and now in this I will just press Ctrl Z, and in here I will just write class of btn, and I will just write over here a tag, and in this a tag I will write like that, and over here I will write like join free, and I will just write here class should be of color 1. Okay, so I will write class of color 1, and I will just write a tag again, and in this a tag I will also write this hashtag and write over here class color 2. Okay, and in here I will write by now. Okay, so I'm writing like that, and over here I will save, and I will just do one thing. I will come over here and I will just define over here like div again, and in this div I will define class photograph. Okay, so here I have just defined, and now I will just take it to small, and I will just write over here like photograph. Okay, so it should be in capital, so I will write photograph. Okay, and I will just write a span tag over here. Okay, so span, it should be small, and over here I will write graph. Okay, and I will just erase this graph from here. Okay, and over here I will do one thing. I will just save, and if I show you from the live preview, so here it is waiting over here. Here you can see, now here you can see, now it is good. Okay, here you can see my photograph, then it is contact over here. Okay, so I will just do one thing, like I will just copy this. Okay, and erase from here. Okay, for some time, and I will come to my CSS file and write over here like this sign and write margin should be 0 pixel, and okay, so it is bigger, so I will just take it too small. Margin should be 0 pixel long, and padding should be also 0 pixel. Okay, and now I will just write body, and now my font family should be changed. Okay, so I will just write Arial font. Okay, and with this Arial I will write Tahoma. Okay, and write like that, and over here I will do one thing. I will come over here, write over here dot nav, and I will write background color. Okay, so first of all you have to just write over here like width. Okay, so I will write width should be 100% and height should be 80 pixel. Okay, and now in here I will just define over here like the color of dark orange. Okay, so just I will write like that, and over here I will hit save, and over here I will also hit save, and if I show you in over here, so hit refresh, so here you can see it is just like that, and over here I have to do one thing. I will just erase this dot from here, and I will save, and if I show you now, so here you can see now it is coming one line over here. Okay, so we will make navbar like that. Now here we have done till over here. Now here I will come over here. Okay, underneath that, and I will just write over here. Okay, so I will write like ULLI. Okay, so first of all I will write dot menu. Okay, and in this menu I will write float into right, and here it should be like color. Okay, so it should be not color. I will just define padding should be 20 pixel, and margin should also be 5 pixel. Okay, so if I save and show you, so here you can see it is looking like that. Now over here I have to do one thing. I will just come over here, and I will just erase this padding and this margin from here, and I will just write over here ULLI, and in here I will write display inline block, so it should be in one line, inline block, and over here I will write ULLIA, and it should be like text decoration should be none, and here it should be color of white over here. Okay, and here font size of 12 pixel. Okay, and font weight of 500 over here. Okay, and over here I have to do one thing also. Okay, so now here it should be padding like, which is really important to write 20 pixel, and margin should be also 5 pixel. Okay, if I save and show you, so now here you can see how it is looking. Okay, so it is looking like that. I will just come over here, and I will do one thing, like I will just go to my website.html, and I will just write starting. Okay, home, like I have telling you, I am just writing like that. Then I will write about us. Okay, then I will write like it is good services, and I will just write over here like contact, and over here I will write like it should be blog. Okay, so I am writing like that. Save that, and if I show you now, so here you can see it is looking like that. I will just minimize over here. I will go over here, and I will just write here padding, and over here I will also write the padding over here. Okay, so I will write padding should be also 20 pixel from here, and I will do one thing. I will come over here, like I have telling you, I have just copy that which I have just, I will paste over here, and now it is just like that. Save that, and now come over here, write over here like dot photograph, and write over here like color should be white. Okay, color should be white, and okay, so it should be font size. Okay, so font size I will just change it to like it should be now, just I will change it to I will just change it to red. Okay, my navbar color, and I will just change it to like 24 pixel. Okay, and I will just write font weight of 500 this also. Okay, and I will just give it the padding of 20 pixel, and just I will give the margin of, I will just not give it the margin. Okay, so save, and if I show you now, so here you can see that. Okay, so I will just do one thing. I will just take it to the top and I will just copy this. Okay, and I will erase from here and paste over here. And now if I show you, so now here you can see now it is good. Okay, so here I have to do one thing, like I have just written like that, and over here I will just write dot menu padding, and now here I have just written color of this, and over here I will, if I do it orange again. Okay, and save that, and if I show you, okay, so hit refresh. So there is like one problem, so I will erase and I will copy this and erase that, save. And now if I show you, so here it is coming like that, and here you have to do one thing, like I will just change it the size. Okay, so I will come over here, right over here, paste that, and now if you see that, okay, save. Okay, so just go to over here. Okay, so now it is going again, so I will copy this from here and I will just paste it underneath that. Okay, so just come over here and paste over here, so save that, and now if I show you, so it is looking like that. So now I have to do one thing, like I will just erase from here and I will just write like that, and over here I will just write like that, and in here I have to do one thing, like I will just do like that, and here. So now till here we have done, and now here I have to do one thing, like over here I have just come over here, and now here if I just do like I will just highlight this. Okay, so now here you can see this is our class over here. Okay, so I will just do like one thing over here. Okay, so the thing should be over here, like I will just go to, okay, so over here, and now here you can see I have just written over here menu. Okay, so now over here I have to do one thing, I will just do like I will copy my just I will copy this and paste over here. Okay, here you can see I have just tell over here and copy this, and now here I will just paste that over here, and now if I save and show you, so now here you can see that, okay, it is in right. And now here if I just copy this, okay, and now if I just erase from here and paste that over here, and I will just do like one thing, I will just erase this class. Okay, so I will just erase this, and now if I write over here h1, and now if I show you, for copy that and paste that over here and erase from here, if I show you now, save, and now if I show you, so now here you can see now it is good, now it is coming over here. Okay, so here I have to do one thing, like I have to just take it. Okay, means I have to just design that over here, so I will just erase from here and I will write over here h1. Okay, so I will just write over here like h1, and now in this h1 I will write over here like it should be now font size of like 25 pixels and font weight should be of 500. Okay, and here I will also give it the color of white. Okay, and now here we have done till over here, and now if I save and show you, so now here you can see now it is looking like that. Come over here and just go to website.html and write over here, in here I will just write div. Okay, so I will copy that, and if I just paste that over here. Okay, so just if I erase from here. Okay, so now here I have to write class of like photography, and over here you have to just do till over here, and now till here we have done our work, and I have to just do one thing, like I will just erase this h1. Okay, and from just like that we have done, save. Okay, so now just you can see that how it is looking. So I will come over here, go over here, and just you have to write float to. Okay, float to left. Okay, and just you have to write dot photography. Okay, so write dot photography and just save that, and now if I show you, so now here you can see it is now good. So I will just come over here and I will just change it to like padding of 20 pixel, and I will also give it the margin of 5 pixel. Okay, so now it should be good. If I show you, save, and now here it is good. Okay, here you can see now it is both are having padding. So I have to do one thing, I will just give it float into right, and I will also give it the padding and margin of 5 pixel. Okay, and over here we have done till over here, save, and if I show you, so now it is just looking like that. And now here you have to do one thing, I will just, if I minimize that over here, and if I change its size. Okay, if I change it to like 15 and save, and now if I show you, so now it is good, but now we will just change it to 13, and now it is just good over here. Okay, so if I show you, save, and now here you can see now it is looking good. Okay, our photograph, then it is our nav bar from here. Okay, so now till over here we have done our work, and now here I have to do one thing. I will just minimize that, and I have to just change the color of graph. So I will just give it the crimson. Okay, crimson color. Okay, right over here crimson. So I will just write color, and now the color should be black. Okay, of the graph, and I will just change it to crimson. Okay, so now it should be good. Save, and now if I show you, so now here you can see now it is looking good. Okay, so just like that you can make that. Okay, over here. So now we have just done our work over here. Now here we have to just give our background image. Okay, so I will come over here, and now here you have to write one thing which is called div. Okay, and now in this div I will just write class of background. Okay, and now I will just copy this div. Okay, and I will just erase from here and paste that over here. Okay, and I will just save, and now I will just go to website dot and background. I will just give it, and I will just write over here background image. Okay, image, and URL you should also define, and now the URL I have to write over here, which should be of like optics. Okay, so it is incorrect, so I will write optics.jpg. so save, and now if I show you, so hit refresh, so just it is enough background. Okay, so if I write background, save, and now here you can see that. Okay, so now there is coming. Okay, so I have to do one thing. I will minimize that, and here it is the name of Inshal. Okay, so I will just change it to Inshal. Okay, so right over here Inshal. Okay, and now it is done. Save, and now save that, and now here you can see now our photo has been changed. Now I have come over here, write like background attachment should be fixed, and background size should be cover, and we have to also change the background position to center. Okay, so our picture should be in center and looking good. Okay, so here we have done till over here. Save, and now come over here, and now here you have to write BR tags. Okay, copy that and paste many times. Okay, just you have to paste that because we have to just change it again and again. Okay, so I will copy these all BR. Okay, copy that, paste that. Okay, so now just save, and now if I show you, so now it is just looking like that. Copy these all again, and just you have to paste it one time more. Save, and now here I will just show you, so I will just copy this again. Okay, so I will just paste that all over here. Okay, and I will just write another BR tag over here. Save, and now here you can see now we have also having a scrolling effect. Okay, so I will just hit refresh, and I will just go to minimize, and I will come to over here, right over here dot content. Okay, right over here dot content, right over here color should be white. Okay, and font size should be of like 26 or 30 pixel. Okay, font weight I will also give it of like 700. Okay, and now we have just done our work till over here. Save, and now here you can see it is looking like that. Okay, so I have to do one thing. I will just minimize that, and I will just do one thing, like I will just backspace over here, and over here I have to write over here like P, and now I will write font size should be of like 15 pixel. Okay, so just save, and now if I show you, so now here you can see now it has been small, so I will just change it to 20. Okay, so it is too small, so save, and now here you can see. Okay, so now it is looking like that. Come over here, right over here padding should be 20 pixel. Okay, 20 pixel, and our margin. Okay, so margin should be also 5 pixel long, and just save, and now if I show you, so here you can see it is looking like that. Okay, so now here I have to write BR tags many times. Okay, so I will just go to over here, and over here I will just write BR tags. So I will come over here and copy these all. Okay, so just we have to copy from that. So now here I will just paste that all over here. Save that, and now if I show you, so here you can see now it has just gone down over here. Okay, so I have to do one thing. I will just erase 2 of them. Okay, so it will be now in line. Okay, so here you can see that now it is good enough. Okay, so now just I will erase one more from here. Save, and now here you can see. Okay, so now it is good. Okay, so now it is coming in line, and now I have to do one thing. I have to just design my button. So come over here, right over here dot btn dot color 1, right over here like background color should be of like, now it should be I will just change it to like red, and now here it should be of like text decoration should be of none. Then our font size. Okay, so font size I will just change it to like 12. Okay, 16 pixel is good. So font weight also should be of 500, and over here I have to do one thing, like I have to just do over here padding should be of like 20 pixel and 60 pixel. Okay, and over here I have to do one thing again, okay, which should be of like, now padding is defined, now margin. Okay, so margin should be 26 pixel. Okay, save. And now if I show you, so now it is looking like that. Just come over here, right over here, border radius. Okay, so border radius I will just define that of 50 pixel. Okay, save. And just showed you, so here you can see now it is looking like that. So just I will do like that, and I will just change it to 23 pixel. Save. And now here you can see, okay, so just hit refresh. So here you can see now it is in line. So just I will come over here, right over here, color should be white. Okay, so I will write color white over here. Okay, and now save and just come over here and you can see that. Okay, so now it is looking good. So I will copy this button again and paste over here, and I will just change it to color 2, and I will just change the color to light black. Okay, so now I will just save, and now I will just come over here, and here you can see my button is also in black, and I will just change the margin to like 15 pixel is enough. So save, and now it is also just too bad. So save again over here. So now if I just do it to 2 pixel now and save again, and now here it is good. Okay, refresh that. So now here we have also designed our buttons. Okay, so we have to just give it the hover effect over here. So I will come over here, right over here, ULLIA, and right over here hover. Okay, and right over here color. Okay, so color we will write over here, which should be of like blue. Okay, means sky blue. Okay, so write like sky blue, and just write like that. Save that, and now here hit refresh. So here you can see now I am having the hover effect of sky blue. Just write over here transition. Okay, which should be of 0.6s. Okay, and now just copy, just save. Okay, and now here hit refresh. So here you can see now our hover effect is coming really cool. So just copy this btn from here. Okay, and paste over here, and I will just change it to 1. Right over here hover, and right over here background color. Okay, and it should be of transparent. Okay, I don't want any background color, and I will just write border. Okay, I want a border. So border should be of like 1 pix solid, and it should be of like green, yellow. Okay, just write like that, and just copy this again. Okay, and paste over here, and I will just change it to 2. Okay, and I will just change its color to like I will just change it to sky. Okay, so I will just change it to like crimson. Okay, so now I will save, and now if I show you over here, okay, come over here, hit refresh. Okay, so now here you can see now my hover effect is coming. Okay, so I have to do one thing, minimize that, come over here, right over here transition. Okay, transition should be of like 0.9s, means 0.9 seconds. So I will copy and paste that over here also. Save, and now if I show you, hit refresh. So here you can see now I am having hover effect, which is really cool. Okay, here you can see on my both buttons. Okay, and here I am also having the hover effect. Okay, and it is now in black color. Okay, so I have to write Y over here. Okay, photography I have to write. Come over here, and now just write over here Y. Okay, so just save, and now here you can see now it is good. Okay, so just it is looking really cool. So I have to now design my about us page. Okay, so I will just come over here, and I have to do one thing. Just go to website.html, and I have to just erase some of the br text from here. Okay, so just I will erase some of them from here. Save, and just come over here, and now it is good. Okay, so now hit refresh. So now it is good. Okay, so now I will just minimize that, and now just I will go over here and minimize, and now just I have just come over here, and I will just write over here like div. Okay, so I will now write section class. Okay, so class should be of about, and id should be also of about. Okay, and here I will also write like div, and it should be of class of row. Okay, and div again, which should be class of now content. Okay, so it should be not content, I will just change it to call 50, and over here I have to do one thing, I will just write like that, and over here I will write h1, and now in this h1 I will write class title. Okay, title text. Okay, and I have written like that. Right over here about us, and over here I have to do like that p tag, and now just I will erase from here, write p tag again, and write lorem, which will be 150, and just write like that, and over here I will just write. Okay, so it should be right like that, br tag here and br tag over here. Okay, so till here we have done. Now I have to do one thing, I will just underneath I will come over here div, and now class, again it should be of call50, and now here it should be of like div again. Okay, div again, and now the class should be of image box, and now here we will write image, and now my source of image should be of like, I've just defined optics. Okay, optics.jpg, and now just save. And now if I show you, so now here you can see, okay, so my image is coming over here. So I have to do one thing, I will just minimize that, and I will just come to my lorem text, and I will just div and class of like paragraph over here. Okay, and I will just do one thing, I will just copy this div from here and erase from here and paste that over here. Okay, and I will just save from here. Okay, and now I will go to this, and I will just write dot paragraph. Okay, so dot paragraph, and right over here like font size should be of 13 pixel. Okay, it should be 14, so 14 is good. Font weight, okay, so I will also write the font weight, which should be of 500. And now till here I have done. Now I will just come over here and write over here that dot row, and over here I will write position should be relative. Okay, so I will write position should be relative over here, and over here I have to write display flex. Okay, so right over here display flex width of 100%, and over here justify. Okay, so justify content. Okay, so right, correct spelling, justify content should be of like space between. Okay, so write like that, come over here dot row dot call50, right over here like that, right over here position should be relative. Okay, again, and now the width should be of 48%. Okay, not pixels. So I will write over here again, which should be now image box image, right over here like width should be 110. Okay, it should be not 110, 90%, and height should be of like 106%. Okay, and over here I will write dot row dot, right over here call50 dot image box and image, and right over here like position should be now absolute for taking it responsive, top 0, left, and it should be also 0, and then it should be like display inline. Okay, display inline block, and over here it should be of like, now it is enough, and I will just define again width, which should be of like 90%, and height of 100% over here. Okay, 106 I will just do, and now I will save. And now if I show you, so now here you can see it is looking like that over here. Okay, so just it is not looking. Okay, so just I will come over here, and now here I have just done. And now if I go to my website.html1, so here it is my image. Okay, so I will just erase this all from here, save, and just if I show you from here and hit refresh, so now it is gone. Just I will minimize and go to CSS1, and now here I have just defined paragraph. Okay, so I will just change it to 12 pixel, and if I save from here, and now if I just go over here and hit refresh, so now it is just doing well. Okay, so I will just here you can see div of class. Okay, so now I have just defined row. Okay, and call50. Okay, so I have just defined that, and now I have to do like, I will just highlight that. Okay, so now I have just highlight these all things. Okay, over here. Okay, so now here you have to do one thing. Okay, so just you have to go to over here. Okay, about us. Okay, so now here you can see. Okay, so we have just done over here. Okay, so like that, now image is also defined over here. Okay, so over here this is our section 1. Okay, so just I have to just do one thing, like I will just go over here. Okay, and here it should be of like now about us over here, and now here if I just do one thing, I will just save. And now if I go to this extension of like I have telling you in previous class. Okay, so my extension was this one. Okay, productivity file checker install. Okay, so now it is just got that. Okay, so now here, now it is done over here. Now here you can see I have just worked with my extension. Okay, so now if I just do like that, and now if I hit refresh, okay, so now it is not working. Okay, so I have to do one thing, like I will just write here paragraph, copy this paragraph and go to website. Okay, website.css, and paste that paragraph over here. Okay, so now here it is done. Just I will erase this paragraph from here, save that, and now come over here and now hit refresh. Okay, oh sorry, it is just like that. Come over here and just click on that live preview. Okay, so just you have to wait for some time. Okay, so now this is our text. Okay, so I will just do like that, and over here I have to do one thing. I will just write p tag. Okay, so if I write only p tag, okay, so come over here. Okay, and write over here dot p, and write over here font size should be of like 12 pixel. Okay, so I will just change its font size to 20 pixel to like 15 pixel. Okay, where is my t tag? There it is. I will just change it to 15 and save that, and now come over here and hit refresh. Okay, so now it is in small. Okay, so I will just minimize and go to website.html. Okay, and over here there is our image. Okay, and here we have just defined our website.css over here. Okay, and if I just erase these all things, okay, from here, and now I have to do one thing, like I will just erase this image also. Okay, so I will just write over here like that, save. And now if I show you, so now here you can see now my image is coming like that. Okay, so I will just minimize and I will just write over here like dot. Okay, so I will write dot and I will write over here image. Okay, and image box. Okay, and write over here image, and now my image should be width of like 50%. Okay, if I do, and height also of 50%. Okay, height 50%. Okay, if I do like that, save, and now if I show you, so now here you can see now it is looking like that. Okay, so now it is done. Just I have to do one thing over here, like now I will come over here and I will just define over here. Okay, so I will just define over here section. Okay, section, and I will just write over here padding 100 pixel. Okay, 100 pixel, and I will just write over here now 90, and I will write over here 106. Okay, and I will just do like that, and I will just come over here and I will just write over here dot row dot call 50 again. Okay, like previously I have written, and now write dot image box and write image. Okay, write like that. Come over here, write over here color. Okay, okay, so it should be not color. I will just write position should be absolute. Okay, and over here top should be 0. Okay, and left should be also 0, and here display should be of like inline block. Okay, and just you have to write like that. Width should be of like 90%, and height should be of like 106% from here. If I save and show you again, okay, so just our image is going over here. So I will just, if I erase from here my width, okay, and if I save it from here and now hit refresh, so just it is not working. Okay, so I will just do like that, save, and now here you can see now my image has been coming. Okay, so I will just click on inspect. Okay, so my image is just like that. Okay, so I will just close that. Okay, so now I will just come over here, right over here we have also written the justify content space between. Okay, and I have written the width of 100% over here, and if I just change it to 106%, and just if I save over here, and now if I hit refresh, so now here you can see it is looking like that. Okay, so I will just come over here and I will just go to website, and here you can see I have just defined my row and call 50, and here is my paragraph, and here is my image box which is optics. Okay, so I will just go to CSS1, and here you can see I have just defined justify content which is space between. Okay, and you should write 100%, and if I just change it to 50%, save, and now here you can see it is looking like that, some of them. Okay, so if I just minimize, and now if I just change it to like 100, okay, so it's just 90, and I will just change it to 100 and just save over here. Okay, so now hit refresh. Okay, so now my image has been just going to small, and change its height to 80%. Okay, save, and now here you can see now it has been just gone small, some of them. So just go to over here. Okay, in my image box. Okay, image box is like that, and here it is also written image box, so I will just write image box like that, save, and come over here and write over here image box and save over here also. Okay, and now here you can see it is looking like that. So if I show you, so now here you can see. Okay, so it is just looking like that. So I will just close that, and I will come over here and write here I have just written section. Okay, which is padding of 100 pixel long. Okay, so here it is our body. Okay, so it is our about section, and here I have just written a section tag, and here I have just closed these things over here. And now here I have just done over here. Okay, so just here you can see photography is defined in our nav, and then here it is our ULLI. Okay, which is our like that. Okay, which is our photography ULLI. Then there is our content and PBTN color. Okay, and here section it is. Okay, so just this section is having any problem over here. Okay, so here I have to do one thing, like I have just defined display of block. Okay, so just you have to do one thing over here. I will just go over here. Okay, so now if I just do over here like that, and now if I save, okay, so just if I go my extension and write over here PR again. Okay, so I will just debug my problems over here. Okay, so just press enter. So here you can see my productivity. Okay, so here it is. So I will just install, close that, and I will just save from here. And now if I show you, so now it is looking like that. Okay, here you can see that. So now here I have to do one thing. I will just come over here and go to website.html over here. Okay, website.css, sorry. So now here I have just defined my width, and here I have just defined my height. Okay, so here I have just changed it to 90, and I will just change it to 106%, and here also 106. So if I now save, and now I will just show you from here. Okay, so go to inspect, and now if I just do like that, so here it is our image coming, but it is too bigger. Okay, so I will just do like that. Go to HTML1. Okay, so there is, we have defined our image box like that. So I will just write box like that, and I will just write box like that. Just save, and now here you can see now it is good. Okay, so now we have just defined our work. Now if I inspect, and now here you can see now it is responsive, and now it is good. Okay, so now here we have just done with our about us. Now you will just go to our services one. Okay, so come over here, and now write over here like div, and write over here class. Okay, so write over here the class, and now the class should be of like services. And now over here I will just change it to services over here. Okay, and I will just change it to like Inshal. Okay, like I will give my name, and over here I will just write over here just like that h1, and over here I will write like our services. Okay, over here, and write over here again div, which should be now class of like CEN. Okay, so write like that over here, and copy this div from here, erase from here, and paste that over here. Okay, so just write like that. Come over here and write over here div class of like, now it should be of services. Okay, so class of services, and over here I will just write h1. Okay, h2 it should be. Okay, h2, and now here I will write like someone name. Okay, so I am writing like that over here. Okay, and now here I will write I tag, like we have downloaded Font Awesome. Okay, so I will write I tag over here, and I have to do one thing. I will erase that, and I will just go to Google. Okay, so I will just go to Google, and I will write over here like Font Awesome. Okay, and just enter, and now just you have to press that. So now here you can see, now I will just search the icon which is called Android. Okay, so write over here Android and press enter. So now here just here you can see now my Android is coming. So just I will press that, and now here I will just copy this link, copy that, and now come over here and now paste that. And now here we have just pasted that. Come over here, write P, and write over here lorem, which should be 10 tab, and now it is done. Just I will copy that. Okay, so I will just copy this from here again. So now I will just do one thing, paste that and paste again. We have to just do it. And now we have just pasted it like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 time we have just pasted. Then I will just do 7 and 8. Okay, so now it is done. Just I will come over here and I will write over here div, and I will just write over here class, which should be of banner. Okay, and I will just copy this div from here, and just I will erase from here, and I will paste that over here. Okay, so just save, and now just go to CSS file, and over here I will write over here like dot, and I will write over here banner, and write over here background color should be of like black. Okay, so I will write black, and color of font should be of white, and now it is done. Just you have to do like that, save, and now if I show you, so now here you can see now it is looking like that. Okay, here you can see Now here we have to just style that. Okay, so I have just do one thing, like I will minimize, and I will just do one thing, like I will just take the our services to center. Okay, so now the class of our services is over here, and now I will just copy this div from here. Okay, so control Z and control Z, copy, and just control Z over here. Okay, so I just here it is just div, and right over here class service. Okay, not services, so I will write service and copy this close div and paste that over here. Okay, so now here I have just pasted and save, and now here I will just write over here like service and our services. Okay, so now I will just write over here dot service, and write over here like font size should be 30 pixel, then font weight should be like 600 over here, and text align. Okay, sorry, it should be incorrect. Text align should also be in center. Okay, so right like that, save, and now if I show you, so now here you can see now my our service is in center, and now I will just change its size to 26. Okay, because it is too bigger. Save now, and now if I show you, now it is good. Okay, so I will just do one thing, I will write over here dot services now. Okay, and write over here like width, write over here cal, write over here 100%/3, and now here I will write margin. Okay, write over here like margin, and write over here 0. Okay, 0, and write -2 pixel. Okay, so write like that, save, and now if I show you, so hit refresh, so it is looking like that. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so just I have to do one thing over here. Okay, so I will just minimize, and now I will just go to my this one, and here you can see I have just defined the class of services over here. Okay, so now I have to do one thing, I will just copy. Okay, so now it is done, services class has been defined over here. Okay, so here I have just defined banner class, then install, then I will just erase this CEM1 class. Okay, and I will just erase this div from here, and if I now save and show you, so now hit refresh, so now it is looking good over here. So now I have to do one thing over here, I should give it the padding also. Okay, so I will just come over here, write over here padding 30 pixel. Okay, from everything. Okay, save, and now if I show you, so now you can see now it is good enough. So now it is just done over here. So here we have just defined our services, then I have defined service. Now here I have just defined it all things. Now there is our like background, then services. Okay, so just here you can see these all. Okay, so now here I have to do one thing. Okay, which is now right that. Okay, so now just we have defined services over here. Okay, so now here we have to just go to our over here. Okay, this highlight one, then I have to do like paste. Okay, and now here I have to do just like that, and now here if I just go over to just extension. Okay, so now here, so just go to productivity file checker, more info. Okay, so just I will close this. Okay, so now it is just doing good, so I will just close that, and I will just close that also. So now here we have done. Just if I save and show you, so just go to Google Chrome and hit refresh, so just come over here, and now just it is looking like that over here. Okay, here you can see that. So now here I have to do one thing, like I will just minimize that, and over here I will just write background. Okay, here you can see background which is written, so I will write over there background, and over here I will write service, and I will write over here background. Okay, so write over here background. Okay, and write like that, save that, and now come over here, and now hit refresh. So now here you can see it is looking like that over here. Okay, and now just it is some problem coming, I will just change it to like background to like back only. Okay, save, and now come over here and change it to back. Okay, only, and just write like that over here and change it to services. Save, and now come over here, and now if I show you, hit refresh from here. Okay, so it is just looking like that. Okay, so just come over here and go to website.html. Okay, and now here we have just defined send and service. Okay, so service we have to define, so I will I have defined this, and now I have defined service. So I will just come over here, write over here service, and I will just erase this services from here, and I will just write like display should be flex. Okay, it should be inline block only. Okay, so I will write like inline block, and here I have to do one thing, like I have to write font size also. Okay, which should be of like 20 pixel. Okay, and if I save and show you now, so now here it is. Okay, so now here you can see, now it is looking like that over here. Okay, so just now it is good over here. Okay, so I have to do one thing, I will minimize that, and I will just go to website.html, and I will just write br tags over here. Okay, so now it is just good. So now here it is written like that, and now I have to do it in center. Okay, so I have to do one thing, I will just write over here in the back only text align center. Okay, text align center. Okay, write like that, save. Okay, save over here and come over here and hit refresh. So now here you can see, now here it is having just like that, it is having now in center. Okay, these all things are now in center. Okay, here you can see now it is looking really cool. Okay, so now we have made it our website. Okay, of photography. Here you can see we are having hover effect over here, then in our buttons, then we are also having our about us section, then services, which all are like responsive. Here you can see. Okay, so now here you can see that we have just made it our own photography website. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this class, and I hope you also enjoy this class like you were enjoying all previous classes. So just you have to practice these all things like we are working with. Okay, so I will just meet you in next project. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.